Welcome to the Pirate Handyman, where we teach you how to become more self-sufficient and save coin for your treasure chest. Join our crew. Hit that subscription button down below. Doesn't cost you a dime. And if you hit that ship's notification bell, you'll be notified every time a new video drops. So what we're going to do today is we've got a sticky window. And it's a single hung window, meaning only the bottom is going to move. And what we want to do is basically just clean it out. You remember, dirt's our enemy, and so that's probably what's going on here. So the first thing that we're going to do is we have to take out these stops that stop the window from going all the way up. All right, the next thing we need to do, you'll see there's these little clips right here. You can see that little piece of silver. What that's going to do is it's going to disengage the block and tackle counterbalance. That's what helps the window go up and down. So you just take a flathead screwdriver, pop it in underneath, and pull it out. And you have one on either side. So once we've got those, now what we're going to do is lift the window up, and once it's disengaged the block and tackle, we'll be able to lift the window out. And we can hear it just disengaged. Get it all the way up and clear. And we can work the window out. So we'll set the window itself over to the side here. Now you can see what we've got. This here is the block and tackle. And it's spring loaded, so all we have to do is push down here, and now it comes out. So now we've just got a solution of warm water with a little bit of detergent and an old toothbrush. So we're just gonna brush out the channel. All right, once we do that, we're just gonna take a rag, dry it out. Be serenaded by the dogs. All right, and then just gonna wipe the dirt off the inside edge of the window itself. The outside edge has weather stripping on it, so we're not gonna mess with that. So here's the fun part. We don't want to use oil, like WD-40 or 3-in-1 oil or any type of spray like that, because what's that going to do? That's going to attract dirt. But we want to put something in here to help it to slide. So you can use bar soap, or you can take a candle. And all you do is rub the candle on either side of the channel and down the center. And you know you're getting it when you see little shavings coming off. So now we'll do the other side. If you're a skier, you're familiar with ski wax. So this is basically doing the same thing. It's just going to help it slide a little bit better. Now, on the block and tackle, you can see that this edge right here is one that is going to be moving up and down. So we do want to go ahead, put a coating of wax there. But again, to kind of help lubricate this a little bit, you can use a silicone spray or you can use graphite. It's just a little tube of graphite. And I'm going to spray it here on the pulleys. You can see the little poof. And then just about every inch or so, squeeze it down between the spring and the side. It'll just help you with your maintenance on the spring. So then we'll do the same thing here. Put some wax on there. Put our graphite on the pulleys. All right. So now we're going to put the block and tackle counterbalance back in. Now this side with the spring goes towards the wall. And you'll see there's a little hook right here. And that's at the bottom. Then in here in the channel, you'll see there's a, in this case it's square. And what you want to do is take the hook, just fit it into that channel, and then we want to push this down to where it goes back underneath our little clip up here. So there we go. We'll do the same on the other side. There we go there. Now the last thing is on the window itself. We're going to hit the chair. Okay, everybody, hit the chair.
Fix your papa pirate.
All right, then we're going to put the wax just on this one side here. This is on the inside. Now, you have to be careful here that you don't drop the window. And even though on the Pirate Handyman we always drop something, make sure it's going to be a small tool and not a big window. So we slide it in one side first. Valence out of the way. Get it all the way over, then push the window in, pull it back over to the side, and then pull it down. It's talking to us. Now it locks in. There, now it slides a little better. We want to work the wax, so we're going to take it up and down a couple of times. You can see already after 2 times, it's doing much better. All right, so our window is moving up and down the way we want it. Now we need to finish it back up. First thing we're going to do is we're going to push those clips back in, because we don't want to disengage the block and tackle when we open the window. So you just push it in, And then we're going to put the screws back in for the stops. Now you may or may not have these. I've seen windows that don't have a stop. And the main reason that you have a stop is so if those clips did come out and they were showing, then you could accidentally disengage the window if you go beyond the stop. And as they say in France, viola. Hope you dig what we're doing here. If you do, hit that subscribe button, join the crew. It's free, doesn't cost you anything. And if you hit that ship's notification bell, you'll be notified every time a new tip comes down to help you become more self-sufficient and save coin for your treasure chest. Here's to smooth sailing.